Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect Facebook, Meta or Pixel to Payhip. So to get started with a simple and a straightforward guide on how to connect your Facebook, Meta or Pixel on Payhip. So the first thing to do, which is the first step, is to log into your Facebook Meta business account. So to do this, go to business.com.facebook, then access your event manager. Then after that, copy your Pixel ID in the event manager. So find the Pixel under the data sources, then click it and copy the Pixel ID, a long string of digit. Then after that, on the step 3, you have to log into your Payhip. So visit the payhip.com and log into your account using your account credentials. Then go to your account settings. So click your profile icon. Then from there, scroll and click the account settings. Then go to the market tab. Then from there, paste your Pixel ID in Facebook Pixel section. Then find the labeled Facebook Pixel and paste your copied Pixel ID into the field. Then after that, click Save Changes. So scroll down and click the Save Changes to connect your Meta Pixel to Payhip. So after that, your Facebook Pixel is now active and you will start tracking visit, bill, and purchase on your Payhip store. And that's it. So if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.